Hey everyone! So today in this video, we will be reviewing this Fidget Toys 3D game. Also, this video was highly requested. So we're going to start in order, so of course the Fidget Cube will be first. To make it more interesting, we will be comparing them to actual fidgets. So first, let's start off with the 5 dots. So this is how it would sound on the game. Now let's compare it to an actual Fidget Cube. Okay, so these two are like quiet and the rest of them are really loud. The sounds of these two are very alike. Moving on, let's go over to this side. Okay, so you can't really do anything with this, but you can move it like this. But on an actual Fidget Cube, you can move both. Now the joystick, it sounds nothing like this, but okay. I would prefer this joystick more like a remote control joystick. Now the light switch. Overall, I kind of prefer the actual Fidget Cube. Okay, well, if you forget any of your fidgets and you're like on a car ride, I definitely recommend this app. As a fidget collector, I am really impressed. Like, this is so fun. Moving on, let's go with the Pop-It. No way, you guys can choose what Pop-It you like. Okay, so we're gonna go with an octagon. Here's our octagon right here. Okay, let's start the popping. Oh my gosh, that looks like an actual Pop-It. Wait. The moment we've all been waiting for, can it? No way. I really like this one. But is it better than this Pop-It? Let's test it out. Again, I do like the actual Pop-It. Oh my gosh, they even have a simple dimple. Let's try it. Oh my gosh, guys, this simple dimple is so satisfying. You can also select your color you want. Guys, no way, they have a dimple digit. Guys, I really want you to take a look on how great the details are. Okay, let's start. Guys, this actually sounds like a dimple digit. I give credits for the sound effects. Overall, I do really recommend this game. Look at all of the fidgets they have. Oh my gosh, they have a pea popper and a Fidget Cube thingy. Okay guys, that is the end of us reviewing fidgets on an app.